Hey travelers, are you dreaming of your next big adventure? Maybe sipping coconut water on a tropical beach or hiking through ancient ruins? Name. Salalom. Well, today I'm sharing a few must-have tools and resources to help you plan the perfect trip and save some money while you purr at it. Now I know travel can get overwhelming. Finding flights, picking the right hotel, knowing what to pack, trust me. I've been there. So I've put together a few of my favorite travel websites and apps that I personally use, and you can grab them through the links below to score special discounts. First up, flight deals. Seasonal. If you stir like me, you want to spend more on experiences, not airfare. I use affiliate flight deal website name, which constantly scans airlines for price drops and error fares. I once snagged a round trip to Europe for under $400. No joke. You can check it out in the description below. I've got a link with a bonus 10% off for new users. Next, accommodations. Whether you love boutique hotels or cozy Airbnbs, has some of the best rates I've found, plus flexible cancellation policies, which is so important these days. Again, link below with an exclusive deal for my viewers. And don't forget travel gear. Packing light but smart makes all the difference. I've linked a couple of my favorite travel backpacks and gadgets, perfect for long-haul flights or city hopping, all with some cool discounts for you guys. So if you're planning your next adventure, definitely check out these resources below. I use them myself, and these have made my trips so much easier and cheaper. Plus, every time you use my link, it helps support this channel, so I can keep making more travel videos for you guys. Win-win. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides, and let me know in the comments where you're headed next. Safe travels and see you in the next one.